All right, second grade. If we look at our calendar for today, we see that today's date is Thursday, April 29th, 2021. And if we write out today's date, we would see that today is April 29th, and I made sure I got it right this time. 2021, or we can abbreviate it to 042921. Today is the 147th day of second grade, or it is day number 147. We see that we have a digit of 1 in the hundreds place, so we will use 1 flat to represent 100 ones, or the value of 100. There is a digit of 4 in the tens place, so we are going to use 4 rods to represent 4 groups of 10 ones, or to represent the value of 40. And we see there is a 7 in the ones place, so we are going to use 7 units to represent 7 ones, or the value of 7. If we look at our 200s chart for today, we see that, well, we're not going to do anything to the number 147 because all the rest of the numbers in this column that have a 7 in the ones place have been left blank so far. So we're going to do the same thing to the number 147 for today. And our interesting holidays for today include International Dance Day, National Peace Rose Day, National Shrimp Scampi Day, and National Zipper Day. And happy birthday, Ava. I hope you are having an awesome day on your birthday this Thursday. All right, second grade, have a great rest of your day.